Welcome to week 5. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is staying home safe and healthy in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the 5th week of our class. By this point, we have covered more than half of the course. As usual, every Sunday I will send an announcement letting you know what's coming up for the week. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Below. Here's where you'll see the topics. Here's where you see the topics cover this week. Yes, 2 new chapters or the equivalent of 2 weeks of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. This week we are going to be studying chapters 9 and 10, Food and Agriculture and Development. Please read pages 306 to 344 for chapter 9 and pages 348 to 379 for chapter 10. Remember also to look at the PowerPoints, read the study guides, and watch the lecture videos. It is a good idea to complete the next set of key concepts for chapter 9 and 10 as you read the class material. This will be due the last week of the class. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 3 will be available on Monday, May 4th, and is due Friday, May 8th by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 2, chapters 5 through 8, was available Wednesday, the 29th of April, and is due tonight, Sunday, May 3rd by 11:59 p.m. Again, you can take it at an unlimited number of times until the deadline. The highest score is the one that will remain in your record. If you take it past the deadline, the same rule to all of the other assignments applies. You will lose points. I caught up with the grading of most of your recently submitted assignments, and I have the following observations. First, there are some outstanding and insightful essays being written. I am pleasantly amazed at the talent and critical thinking being exhibited in your writing. However, on all of the assignments, most students lose points due to not closely following directions. On the news assignments, many students fail to connect the articles to what the content of the articles to what is being discussed in class. The students also lose points for not writing full paragraphs. A paragraph is technically 5 to 6 sentences. On the reflection, students lose points for not providing references to class materials. You have to give page number, chapters, sections, so in the study guides anytime you are writing information that is not in your words. This is not an option, it is a requirement. Usually, following directions will earn you full points on these assignments. Related to the last section, an astonishing number of students are missing assignments. The class is going to be over in less than a month, and we are past the half point of the class. When are the assignments? When are these missing assignments going to be completed? Remember that you can always submit assignments even past the deadline, but the farther away you are from the deadline, the more points will be deducted. Once the class is over, June 1st, you won't be able to submit anything. A few students continue to be inactive in the class. That is, you're not regularly logging into the course. The deadline to drop without a W has passed, and so now whatever grades you earn in the class will be is what appears in your record. The last day to withdraw from the course with a W on your record is May 8th, 2020. I believe is this Friday. If your inactivity means you are no longer interested in the course, it is still your responsibility, not the instructors, to drop or withdraw from the course. If you need to withdraw with a W on your record, go to this website right here. And remember to do it before May 8th, 2020. Otherwise, whatever grade you'll get is what whatever work you've done is what you're going to get. Be safe and healthy, and have a great rest of the week. And we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.